Good morning, everyone. I just want to wish you all a happy Vishu, happy Ugadi, happy Navratri, happy Gudi Padwa, happy Baisakhi, happy Ramadan, and any of the other festivals that you might all be celebrating all over India. So, happy New Year to you all. Some of you might not know this, but I'm a Malayali and I celebrate Vishu every year. That is like the New Year festival that we celebrate according to the astronomical calendar, and this comes around like 14th or 15th of April, and we worship Lord Vishnu or any of his incarnations during this time. This festival is celebrated mainly in Kerala and some parts of Tamil Nadu and in Karnataka. So the long-standing tradition that we follow is decorating Vishu Kani, and the arrangement of the Vishu Kani you'll be seeing later in this video. So stay tuned. So this decoration is the thing that you see first thing in the morning when you open your eyes, and it is considered to be very auspicious. We decorate Vishu Kani with like lots of fruits and golden cucumber, golden lemon, and konna flower, that is like a yellowish flower that blossom during this season, especially during Vishu, and like new clothes, gold, silver, or cash, coin that you have, like all these things we put in front of Lord Vishnu and present it to him, and we light the lamp and we pray for the prosperity, health, wealth, happiness throughout the year. That's how we celebrate Vishu. And also we make rice paisam, that is like kheer in Hindi, and rice pudding in English, and I'll be sharing that recipe as well, so later in this video, so stay tuned for that as well. Yeah, so that's all for now, and before I move forward, I'll be moving backwards for like sharing how I get all the Vishu things ready, and what all things I purchase from market, and basically the shopping for Vishu. So yeah, we'll be going backwards now.
These are the things that I want to find, and I will go on a hunt for these. I'm confident of finding most of the things, but I'm really doubtful if I'll get konna flowers anywhere. Let's see. Let's go shopping, guys. I found the flowers, but it costs too much, 50 rupees a bunch. Super happy that I managed to find all the items in the list. So yeah, even konna flowers, even though it was too expensive, but
That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and happy new year to you all again. I hope to see you very soon. Till then, bye guys.